How do I reset my Apple ID password?
Hello there. Today we're going to walk you through the process of resetting your Apple ID password. Whether you've forgotten your password or just need to update it for security reasons, this easy guide will help you get it done in no time. Let's dive right in.
What is an Apple ID?
An Apple ID is the account you use to access Apple services like the App Store, Apple Music, iCloud, iMessage, FaceTime, and more. It includes the email address and password you use to sign in, as well as all the contact, payment, and security details that you'll use across Apple services.
Why do I need to reset my Apple ID password?
There are several reasons why you might need to reset your Apple ID password. Maybe you've forgotten your password, or you suspect that your account has been compromised. Resetting your password can also be a good measure to take for the sake of maintaining the security of your account.
How to reset your Apple ID password from your iPhone?
If you're using an iPhone, here's how you can reset your Apple ID password. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Tap your name at the top of the screen. 3. Tap on Password and Security. 4. Tap on Change Password. 5. If you're logged into iCloud and have a passcode enabled, you will be prompted to enter the passcode for your device. 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your password.
How to reset your Apple ID password from your Mac?
If you're using a Mac, follow these steps. 1. Choose Apple Menu, System Preferences. 2. Click Apple ID, then click Password and Security under your name. 3. Click Change Password. 4. Before you can reset your Apple ID password, Apple will ask for the password you use to unlock your Mac. And that's it. Those are the steps you need to take to reset your Apple ID password. Remember, your Apple ID is important for accessing various Apple services, so always make sure your password is secure and unique. If you ever forget it, don't worry, just follow these steps to reset it. We hope this guide has been helpful. Happy computing!